If Pixlr keeps showing something went wrong, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can solve the problem fast. This is especially helpful if Pixlr is freezing, failing to load, or crashing when you try to edit an image. We'll test the issue in a clean browser session, clear Pixlr's site data, restart the browser, turn on graphics acceleration, and check whether your computer is running low on memory. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open a new Incognito window by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and N on your keyboard. Using Incognito helps you test Pixlr without old cookies, cached files, or extensions interfering with the app. Once the new window opens, go to Pixlr and log in again. Now try to reproduce the exact action that caused the error. This step is important because it helps confirm whether the issue is caused by a browser cache problem, a local storage issue, or something related to your project itself. If the error still appears, move on to the next fix. In your browser's address bar, look directly to the left of pixlr.com and click the small menu or site information icon. From the options that appear, choose cookies and site data. This opens the storage settings for Pixlr specifically. Now select clear data. This clears corrupted local storage and cached site data for Pixlr without wiping your entire browser history. That means you keep your normal browsing history but remove the broken data that may be causing the error. After clearing the site data, close the tab and fully restart your browser. Don't just refresh the page, restart the whole browser so the changes take effect properly. Once the browser reopens, go to your browser settings. Then open the System section. Look for the setting called Use Graphics Acceleration when available and turn it on. After that, click Relaunch so the browser restarts with hardware acceleration enabled. This can help Pixlr perform better, especially when working with heavier images or graphics-intensive edits. If Pixlr still says something went wrong, the next thing to check is your computer memory. Make sure your system has enough available RAM before opening large projects. If you're editing very large files, try closing extra apps and browser tabs to free up memory. Pixlr can struggle when your machine hits a hardware memory limit, especially with multiple layers or high-resolution assets. Another useful fix is to reduce the canvas size or scale down very large images before importing them. If your image is above 4K resolution, it may be too heavy for your system to handle smoothly inside the browser. Resizing it first can reduce crashes, lag, and loading failures. As a best practice, try working in smaller batches and avoid opening too many massive files at once. So to recap, if Pixlr shows something went wrong, first test it in Incognito, then clear Pixlr's cookies and site data, restart your browser, enable graphics acceleration, and finally check your RAM and image sizes. One of these steps usually fixes the issue. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.